the look. Tell me guys, what do you think about this look? Evening look, like sorry, not evening, a New Year's look. So guys, if you like this look, please just hit your notification bell so that you won't miss my videos, and subscribe as well if you're not a subscriber, and you are welcome. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm in love with this look. So guys, this braid guys was made by me, as I keep saying here. So this is how I style it. I just want to do it quickly. Get ready with me. I'm doing like a New Year's Eve eye look. As you can see, I have applied all my foundation and contour and highlight as well. So now I'm just going to create the look with this palette here. This is one of my first palette guys, so I will be trying a look using this palette as well with this, because of the shimmer shades. So I will be using this too. I don't know what I will be creating guys, so I'm just creating something quick, like a quick makeup for them, because I'm not going anywhere. We will be doing a bra here at home later. So now I want to do something like not too dramatic because I'm indoors. Okay. The Moment of Truth, Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the eyeliner, so I'm going to line my eye with it out of the camera and apply the lashes in there. I'm done with my wing line, so now I'm using this lashes here. Okay, my face is done. I'm loving it. I'm super matte, guys, and I love these lashes. They are too dramatic and I like this look. Okay, now let me apply some highlighter. I will just wet my brush so that the highlighter will pop, you know. And I'm using this STROBELITE highlighter. I will take this orange here. This is what I will use because this other one I am not seeing anything. I will try to mix both of them actually. Guys, I love this look already. It's flawless. So with lippies, I will be using this lipsticks here, which is this USHAS whatever color, 8 colors lipstick palette. So this is what I'm using. I don't know which color should I use. Should I go nude? Okay, let's just do nude lips or dark. Let's do the chocolate. Ooh. Guys, I love this chocolate shade. Okay, this is the look. Tell me guys, what do you think?